What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have an update on Circuits of Value, which has pumped up about 50% in the last 24 hours, currently trading up just under the 2 cents target. So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at, is it time to buy it, is it too late, or is it time to sell it if you're on a profit and take out your money, or is it just time to hold on to it before it goes even higher? So covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks for the short-term traders, and over the next couple of months and overall in 2023, looking at how high this crypto can go, and also looking at, is it worth investing into Circuits of Value in 2023. But before I can get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. We can see the market is down just about 1.5% in the last 24 hours, and we've got Circuits of Value as a top gainer in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely insane. Over the last hour, however, it has dropped a major 7%, which is not looking too good. However, over the last day, it is up 47%. And as you guys can see, whenever a crypto pumps up in value, dips are always part of the process, and that's what seems to be happening right now as well. Over the last week, 64%, and over the month, a massive 122%. Slow and steady increases in value throughout the whole of January and early February as well, all up until today, as it's had a major increase in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 2,000% in the last 24 hours, making it $5 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase, meaning a lot more people are trading the crypto right now. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it has been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, especially that it's pumped up so much. More and more people are looking into the project and either investing or selling the crypto and taking out their profits as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Circuits of Value, which is here in purple at 0.01218. However, we can see it trading at much higher value here in red at 0.01798, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is both the lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Circuits of Value to be trading around 0.017 to 0.018 in target. And again, doesn't mean it's going to be maintaining that value throughout the whole 12-14 hours. Of course not. It's likely to pump up to about 2 cents and then drop back down to about 0.016. So trade in between those targets, and overall it's likely to trade at its current price range by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Similar to the previous one, we do have the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line is once again looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So both the lines are again going the opposite direction to each other. So an overall fluctuation is again predicted over the coming days. So let's say over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, I'm expecting Circuits of Value to be trading around the 2 cents target is what I'm expecting. However, that doesn't mean that again it's not going to be staying at its price range over the next 7-8 days. I'm expecting it to drop back down to about 0.014 over the coming 2 to 3 days before it slowly starts to gain value early next week to mid next week, gaining value to approximately the 2 cents target by mid next week is what I'm expecting from Circuits of Value. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? we got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So again, right now we're looking much more positive than the previous two charts. So again, guys, an overall increase in value is what is predicted from circuits of value over the coming 6 to 8 weeks. So late March, early April 2023, I am expecting circuits of value to be heading to around the 3 to 4 cents target. Yes, I know it's a big gap, but what I'll say is about 0.035 cents is what I'm expecting circuits of value to be trading at, hopefully by early to mid-April as well, and hopefully heading to 4 cents by late April, early May. I know there's quite a while for that, and again, it may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment. However, if we manage to give it enough time, about 6 to 8 weeks, around 2 months approximately, it should be able to hit the 4 cents target, guys, by mid to late April, early May as well. Somewhere around that target, it should be able to hit the 4 cents target, unless of course the crypto market goes for a major crash or a major bull run or whatever it is. These things will of course have an impact not just on the value of circuits of value, but the whole crypto market in general, either in a positive or negative way. But either way, that's why I'm here, to keep you guys updated as much as I can on the crypto market, on what to predict, what to expect on a daily basis. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for circuits of value for the long term, I would say. But for the short term, as I mentioned earlier, it is a risky time to get into it right now, as I am expecting it to drop back down in value. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone right now, guys, and we've got quite a long way to hit the resistance target of the green line here, which is 6 cents, which I'm hoping we should be able to hit by mid-year or in Q3 of 2023. I'm expecting us to hit the resistance target and head into the green zone towards Q4 of 2023. We should be potentially able to hit the 10 cents target towards the very end of the year, depending on market conditions and so on, especially if we manage to maintain how the crypto market has been performing for the last, well, from the start of 2023. It's been moving in a positive direction. If we can maintain that for the rest of the year, we should be able to easily hit the 10 cents target. But you guys know how volatile the crypto market is. Any little news can have a major impact on the value of any cryptocurrencies out there. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto, guys. What I want you guys to do now is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting circuits of value to hit the 10 cents target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, it's free to subscribe, so why not go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.